All right, let's get it going. We're gonna get this saddle on real quick. All right, saddle's on. Got my spikes right there. My chainsaw. All right. Undo the bag here. Oh yeah. Great. Oh, and it looks like it's full. Nice. Old gas. Looking good. Looking good. Let's do it. Got a really cool surprise here today. Here it is. Stick that on there. Perfect. Right off the bat. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna come on down back through here and give it the beans. Okay, here it is. Perfect. Left. Good. I remember. I remember how all this works. Wow. Yeah. It's like I never left, bro. Right here, right during the holidays, man. Last climb of the year, right here. Wish you all the best this holiday season. Those of you who are experiencing some tough times, man, I just encourage you to go talk to somebody, express how you feel to them, and you know, try not to do anything too rash, man. It's you know, life is still worth it, man. Life is worth it. This right here is where it's at, man. Being on the channel, talking to you guys, sharing my experience with you all, and yeah, man, it's a great honor. Great honor to be doing this. So, I bought something pretty cool. Wait, but before I get it out, I just need to get something else out. Huh. What must this be? There it is. Still figuring this out, but for the most part it's pretty much all figured out. So I'm gonna have to figure out a better way to deploy the drone, man. Check this little sucker out. 1, 2, 3, got okay, doing its little checks. Do we have a connection? Alright guys, so I'm just gonna head out into the unknown now. Hopefully the drone stays right there where it's at, and we're good to go. See if this thing works. Oh, this thing is sí, este para allá, pero el lazo para este. El lazo para este. Sí, porque este está ladeado para allá. Tiene mucho peso para allá. Sí, para este sí. Sí. Nada más quiere un jaloncito para allá. Otherwise, it's just getting tangled, man. Yeah. But yeah, that looks good. That's the side, man. Okay, cool. Just toss it up. My bad. Oh crap, that was my fault. Hang on. Okay. Just rethrow. Cowboy bowing. There he goes. Tail on the outside. See, tail on the outside. Good. Oh yeah, and then I forgot to mention the fusion tether here. Fusion tether, man, it's nice. Bulky, but it's nice. It is good. I like it.